Your company has an idea for a great new product, and the only thing standing between the idea and getting the product to market is manufacturing. Manufacturing a new product starts with engineering and is completed on the assembly line. But before the factory can produce one complete product, they need you to create assembly instructions. Once the design is completed, it's your job to get the prototype, take it apart, take pictures of the assembly, produce the part number list, write the instructions, validate the instructions with engineering, test the instructions, and finally reassemble the prototype without breaking it. And of course, manufacturing wants this done yesterday. No problem, you can do it. So, after many hours, you're finally done. Except the design has changed. So now you need to disassemble and reassemble the prototype, take new pictures, revise the assembly instructions, find the changed part numbers. There has to be a better way. Enter SolidWorks Composer. SolidWorks Composer is the tool for creating high-quality assembly instructions, product manuals, and any type of technical communication. You can access the data directly from the original CAD design, so there's no need to recreate part numbers. SolidWorks Composer's high-quality graphics are easier to understand than any photograph. Design changes? No problem. There's no more running back and forth from design to the shop floor and then to engineering. Updates are practically automatic. You'll be able to create instructions faster than you ever thought possible. They'll also be more intuitive, reducing costly assembly line mistakes. And best of all, you can start creating assembly instructions as soon as the design is created in SolidWorks. There's no need to wait for a physical prototype. So, the engineers are happy, the assembly workers are happy, and management loves you. So what's next? Presentation materials, product manuals, interactive assembly instructions, video tutorials, high-quality marketing collateral? Bring 'em on! To learn more about SolidWorks Composer, contact your SolidWorks reseller or visit our website at www.solidworks.com. SolidWorks Composer. Shorten production, minimize overhead, surpass your competition.